to connect, we got you.
3, 2, 1, come on.
Okay, Lady 380, Lady 380.
Polo Tagaluche, Polo Tagaluche. It's the connect, and you know we got you, baby.
Slizzle the boss, the boss, slizzle the boss, the boss, slizzle the boss, the boss, slizzle the boss, the boss.
Give it up for D.a.z.e. Come on.
Yeah. XL in the building. Bar Rock representing.
Hello, NYC, what the fuck is poppin', man?
Get your fucking weight up right now. Step your game up if you ain't got your pockets right. Get it right now. Bar Rock in the building. What's poppin'?
But there's only hungry motherfuckers around, you know?
Yeah. Where my Queens niggas at? Yeah. Hello, where you at? Yeah.
I know we got some cool niggas in the building. LA niggas is right here. Get ready. It's round, nigga. I want y'all to get hype.
Yeah. Rock on top.
Once again, it's on XL with a taping, bitch. I got this rap thing on smash. So even if you think you got a mean low stash, I'ma cream your ass. Cause once again, back is the incredible. Shit's crazy, so I never leave home without that hope. This shit gotta be deep and damn sure ain't broke. Niggas don't wanna see you with a big ass book. They wanna see you play empty so you be that low. But not me. You never see days on trial. You see me in the streets with some dogs that prowl. Now never be a snitch, never be convinced. Believe what y'all niggas say about hustle or the bitch. The backwards niggas, the rain's coming out pin dress, so y'all are dressed proper. Nigga with sense. Have y'all been pimps? Have y'all been pissed? Out all these niggas that can talk with no sense. Never, so stop talking clever. It's the D.a.z.e. hotline. Take a bitch to send a letter. I get her, never sweat her. Hit it and forget her. This XL with a table. We don't know who got this rap thing on smash. So even if you think you got a mean little stash, I'ma cream your ass. Cause to get back is the incredible. And I still got my hands on the streets, so you can fall back, try to scam but you sleep. I'ma blame when you leave. Cause once again, back is the incredible. A lot of niggas talk tough as if they members. Fucking on shows with the worst intenders. Fuck that bar with rap, I know who missed it. They probably even wrote dirty space and six and look dog, I missed it. When you said you dished it, your cop way cut, bagged up and bitched it. You wanna see me hurt, you can fall with legends. Cause I'm on my prison like I'm on the hook from Memphis. Stepping on days like I'm the right to provoke. You wanna drive like that, you get your license revoked. Sure I stays with the hoe. I knife you till you choke, so you better back me down like I'm Tyson on the ropes. I'm very like a drug, using to abuse. To fucking with D.a.z.e, you choosing to just lose. I treat it like checkers, wait for movers, gotta move. Cause usually with my views, what do you put you? I got this everything on smash. So even if you think you got a mean little stash, I'ma free your ass. Cause let's go, baby. And I still got my hands on the streets, so you can fall back, try to scam and just sleep. I'ma blame it because to get back is the incredible.
Step your game up.
If you come in the club for the bitches, it's for y'all niggas, man.
Yeah.
I do a lot of shit, shit, but you guys level it up with the bitches sometimes, man. Let's go, man. The youngest up in the game. Let's go, it's my uncle. Let's go, baby. Let's go, fifth brothers. It's my uncle. Let's go. Shout out to all the performers, everybody in the building, man. That's how we do it. We're gonna do it like this. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
It's D.a.z.e. Fresh on the scene with my squad, and I don't need no jewels, nigga. Fuck is your problem? Back to it. I'm ready to hit the bar. I see some exquisite body parts from afar. So this is how I approached her. Told her I'm no vulture. Looking like that, you should be on poster. She said, listen, I don't mean no post, but a lot of niggas want me, and a lot of niggas hope. My listen, you do what I provide. You know what this something to fill a gap between the guys. She said, I need a baller, somebody ready to ride. Yeah, help the money to tell your wheels outside. She replied, yeah, damn, you got me thinking about something. My don't talk, I know what you want, take. You about to be a little prick for my hunting. She said, what's good? And I replied, what's one thing? I came here with my mind on one thing. That's to get my hands on something. Anyway, anyhow, I need something. And you know what it is, it's just one thing. I came here with my mind on one thing. That's to get my hands on something. Anyway, anyhow, I need something. And you know what it is, it's just one thing. Swatted over here, but you fit the description. I'm a P-Y-teen, I'ma need a prescription. Seeing your ass, they think that it's fiction. Your swag so ill, it got me losing my diction. Before you replace sidekick like Pippin. Just in case you wanna intercept, I have what I'm getting. With some birds that I catch her as I have it begin. End up with king taste that I have it spitting. You went up the pop perfected. Plus I say you dream, see you narcoleptic. Just listen to my last bitch and let her tell you that it's a ski in the face and just bring your umbrella. There's two things to a word that D.a.z.e won't say. One I love you, the other one is mine, just don't pay. The truth is mine, I really don't need you, but I won't say that evil Caesar. Cause I came here with my mind on one thing. That's to get my hands on something. Anyway, anyhow, I need something. If you know what it is, it's just one thing. I came here with my mind on one thing. That's to get my hands on something. Anyway, anyhow, I need something. You know what it is, it's just one thing. Listen, I do what I does, walk in the club. Ounce of haze, my tool is my snub. Just in case y'all wanna act like fools on drugs, I got my mind set to just use all my slugs. Tough guys wanna talk with two to they thug. They still coming out they face, put two to they mug. You gotta think about it, no one knows who bug. You get slumped in your seat till your shoulder shrug. Tryna do that, you shorty that's naughty. Shorty told me to play that boy, they drop 4. She not the one who she talking to. I'm the one that walking boots. Get out there smoking coats, what you not gonna do? Just listen, bitch, I ain't tryna buy your shit, I'm just broke pimp. Watch this, listen. It ain't the fact that I'm broke, I just do shit different. With my mind on one thing, that's to get my hands on something. Anyway, anyhow, I need something. And you know what it is, it's just one thing. I came here with my mind on one thing, that's to get my hands on something. Anyway, anyhow, I need something. And you know what it is, it's just one thing.
XL with the changes. Step your fucking game up.
Loud, hip-hop is allowed. Yeah, that's how we doing it. Hip-hop is definitely allowed.
It's Lady 380, baby. I'm here at Vintage Lounge. We here. This is D.a.z.e. D.a.z.e just ripped it. D.a.z.e. What singles did you do, D.a.z.e?
I mean, I did a little freestyle. Now I mean, I was the once again back is the incredible. Now I mean, hip hop is still alive, so I gotta let your niggas know. Now I mean, the incredible is still here, and I did that one thing for the ladies. You know, we come in the club with our mind on one.
Opening up for Jae Millz. He's doing real big things, y'all. Can we look for any up and coming events, CDs? What's up?
Yeah, now I mean, I'm coming to the Keith Murray shit. Now I mean, still fucking with 17.
Alright, the 31st,
you know
we
it,
here, Vintage
31st,
Lounge.
XL is in the building.
Manhattan, and I mean, it's that club remote, and all the cameras and shit is gonna be crazy. I do my promoting thing too, know what I mean? So it's gonna be really popping. I fucks with Ben Brothers. My clique is XL, man. You know it. It's D.a.z.e. This is my nigga Fish right here. DJs with Mr. C, he does big things, man. He's been all over the world.
Hold on.
I'll take my shine.
Yo,
This is my little man.
Yo, reefing. Can I get him one time? Can I get him one time?
One time?
One time.
You got enough time?
One time.
Get a little 16.
Listen, I said it, yo, I got balls, so one top is where you gonna see me. Front, you get shots enlarged in your beanie. This rap shit is easy, so I'ma get my cake up, and real soon you won't hear me knocking your TV. I got this, believe me, yeah, I'm full of myself, but I got a voice that make bitches pee on theyself. Keep it steam on my belt, and keep the music in the truck blasting to make sure that my presence is felt. Keep a bad bitch on the side of the whip that don't do shit but suck dick outside of her lip. Yeah, I be riding the chits, but if you mention my name or my fam, you better run, cause we're riding the snitch. Keep an eye on your bitch, especially if she fucking, cause just a few words will make her ride in the clip. Keep a gun in the clip, and it's loaded with gifts that'll make you hailing like you was bumping my shit. So that ain't blood or a crit, but I got bullets that's big enough to pierce through your 5 or your 6. Gotta cop me a whip that's fast enough that I can blast them up, lose the Jake until my niggas pass the cup, and if the nigga front, shit, I'ma eat his food for lunch. It's Young Reef, fuck the fame, so I'm battling for bucks.
What's up?
Yeah. D.a.z.e and his clique taking over. We at Vintage. Jae Millz, D.a.z.e. We in the building, y'all.
It's the connect. We got you.
3, 2, 1. Come on.
Okay. Lady 380, Lady 380.